12 Science, Subject Mathematics and Statistics, Part 2nd. Chapter number 2nd, Applications of Derivatives. Dear students, we are going to study Lagrange's mean value theorem. Lagrange's mean value theorem, in shortcut LMVT. If a real valued function f is continuous on closed interval ab and differential on the open interval ab, then there exists at least one point C in the open interval AB such that f dash of C equal to f of B minus f of A divided by B minus A. This is Lagrange's mean value theorem. Function continuous on closed interval, differential on open interval. Then there exists at least one number C in open interval AB such that the condition is its derivative at a point C, that is f dash of C, is equal to f of B minus f of A divided by B minus A. Lagrange's mean value theorem states that for any real value differential function which is continuous at the two endpoints, there is at least one point at which the tangent is parallel to the second through its endpoints. Here is geometrical significance of Lagrange's mean value theorem. In Cartesian coordinate system, take first quadrant. Here is the curve y equal to f of x. The function is curve denoted by the curve. Geometrical significance. Suppose in curve 2 points a f of a and b small f of b. Take perpendicular on x axis. Here is distance. Your coordinates on the x axis is a and here is x axis is b. We know that the chord AB. Here is chord AB. Here is 2 points. There is at least one point at which tangent is parallel to the second. Here is second, that is chord AB. Tangent is parallel. Suppose we draw the tangent at a point C. Here is perpendicular on x axis. Suppose this distance is C. Here the second is parallel to the tangent. Here is geometrical significance. Curve y equal to f of x. Point A, small a f of a, capital B equal to small b f of b on the curve. Slope of the chord AB. Slope means difference of y coordinate divided by difference of x coordinate. Then we get f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Statement of Lagrange's mean value theorem is f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Here is a slope. We know that slope of chord AB is equal to the f dash of c, slope of the chord AB. This shows that tangent to the curve y equal to f of x at the point x equal to c is parallel to the chord AB. We draw the tangent to the curve. This tangent is parallel to the chord. Both the values are same, that is the slope of chord AB, and f dash of c means tangent. F dash of c means tangent to the curve. Here is the curve. F dash of c first derivative is tangent, slope of the tangent to the curve. Hence both are same. Therefore tangent at a point x equal to c is parallel to the chord AB. Examples. Example first. Verify Lagrange's mean value theorem for the function f of x equal to root of x plus 4 on the interval 0, 5. Solution. Function f of x is root of x plus 4. The function is continuous on closed interval and differentiable on open interval. So the LMVT is applicable. Hence differentiate with respect to x, f dash of x equal to 1 divided by 2 root of x. Here is x is linear equation, that is root of x plus 4. Therefore, here is the interval a0 b equal to 5. We find the values of f of 0 and f of 5. Hence f of a equal to f of 0. Put x equal to 0, then root 0 plus 4 equal to root 4 equal to 2. F of b equal to, then put x equal to 5. Here is f of 5. 5 plus 4, root of 5 plus 4 means root 9 is equal to 3. Then C belongs to open interval 0, 5 such that the formula is f dash of C is equal to f of B minus f of A divided by B minus A. F dash of C. Here is value of f dash of x. Substitute x equal to C. Then we get 1 divided by 2 root of C plus 4. Putting the values of f of B minus f of A, that is 3 minus 2, divided by then B minus B minus A, that is 5 minus 0, is equal to the 1 divided by 5. Hence root of C plus 4, taking cross multiply, we get 5 divided by 2. Cross multiply and take reciprocal. Then square on both sides, then C plus 4 equal to 25 divided by 4. Hence C equal to, simplifying, we get 9 divided by 4. It belongs to the open interval. Here is first condition, continuous on closed interval, differentiable on open interval, and there exists C in open interval 0, 5. Hence Lagrange's mean value theorem is verified. Example second, verify Lagrange's mean value theorem for the function f of x equal to x plus 1 divided by x on the interval 1, 3. Solution. F of x equal to x plus 1 divided by x. Hence, is continuous on closed interval and differential on open interval. Therefore, LMVT is applicable. Hence, differentiate the function f dash of x. Derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 divided by x square. Here is the interval 1 to 3. Hence, a equal to 1, b equal to 3. Find the value of f of a, f of b. That is f of a equal to f of 1. Put x equal to 1, then we get 1 plus 1 by 1. That is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. F of b equal to f of 3. Put x equal to 3, then 3 plus 1 divided by 3. Take 3 is a LCM, then cross multiply 3 into 3, 9 plus 1. That is 10 divided by 3. Let C belongs to 1, 3 open interval such that the formula is f dash of C equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Put the value, here is f dash of x. Then x replaced by c, we get f dash of c. That is 1 minus 1 divided by c square. F of b minus f of a. That is 10 divided by 3 minus 2. Whole divided by b minus a, that is 3 minus 1. Then 1 minus 1 divided by c square equal to. Taking cross multiply, 3 into 2 is 6. Then 10 minus 6 is 4 divided by 3. And 3 minus 1 on denominator is 2. Taking simplify, we get 2 divided by 3. On simplifying, we get c square equal to 3. Therefore, c equal to plus minus root 3. C equal to root 3 belongs to open interval 1 to 3. And c equal to minus 1 minus root 3 does not belong to 1, 3. Hence, Lagrange's mean value theorem are verified. Because here is continuous on closed, differential on open, and here is C point on the open interval 1, 3. Example 3. Verify Lagrange's mean value theorem for the function f of x equal to log x on closed interval 1 to e. Solution. The function f given as f of x equal to log x, logarithmic function, which is continuous for all positive real numbers. Therefore, it is continuous on closed interval and differential on open interval. Therefore, f satisfies condition of Lagrange's mean value theorem. Then there exists a point C belongs to open interval 1 to e, such that the formula is f dash of C equal to f of e minus f of 1 divided by e minus 1. F of x equal to log of x. Find f of 1. X replaced by 1, that is log of 1. Log 1, its value is 0. Then find f of e. Then is log e. Value of log e is 1. Also we find f dash of x. Then d by dx of log x. Its derivative is 1 divided by x. Hence f dash of c is 1 divided by c. Putting these values in this formula, that is denoted by equation 1. Then we get f dash of c is 1 divided by c equal to, here is f of b minus f of a. That is f of e minus f of 1 is 1 minus 0 divided by. Here is b minus a, that is e minus 1. is equal to 1 divided by e minus 1. Taking reciprocal c equal to e minus 1. Its value belongs to the open interval 1e. Hence, Lagrange's mean value theorem is verified. Example number 4. Verify Lagrange's mean value theorem for the function f of x equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 on closed interval 0 to 4. Solution. The function f is f of x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 equal to x minus 1. Here is multiplication of two terms is x square minus 5x plus 6. Then multiply by x with this equation x cube minus 5x square plus 6x. Then again multiply with minus 1, get minus x square plus 5x minus 6. Simplifying, x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 is a polynomial function. Therefore, continuous on closed interval and differential on open interval. Therefore, f satisfies the condition of Lagrange's mean value theorem. Then there exists a point C belongs to open interval 0 4 such that formula is f dash of C equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Putting the values we get f of 4 minus f of 0 divided by 4 minus 0 denoted by equation 1. F of x equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Find f of 0. Then x equal to 0. We get 0 minus 1 into 0 minus 2 into 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 equal to minus 6. Also find f of 4. Put x equal to 4. 4 minus 1 into 4 minus 2 into 4 minus 3 equal to 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 6. Also, f dash of x, derivative of x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Derivative of x cube is 3x square minus 6. Derivative of x square is 2x plus 11. Derivative of x is 1 minus 6 constant term, its derivative is 0. Then we get 3x square minus 12x plus 11. From f dash of x, we find f dash of c is equal to x replaced by c 3c square minus 12c plus 11. From equation 1, here is equation 1, that is the formula. F dash of c equal to 3c square minus 12c plus 11 equal to f of 4 minus f of 0. Putting these values 6 minus in bracket minus 6. Here is 4 minus 0 is 4. Then we get 3c square minus 12c plus 11. Here is minus minus plus 6 is 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Take 3 on LHS, we get 3c square minus 12c, 11 minus 3 is 8 equal to 0. Then find the value of c by the formula minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2a. That is, here is a is 3, b is minus 12 and c is 8. We get c equal to 12 plus minus root of 14 divided by 6. Simplifying, we get 12 plus minus 4 root 3 divided by 6. Then c equal to 2 plus minus 2 divided by root 3 belongs to 0 4. Hence, the Lagrange's mean value theorem is verified. Example number 5. Verify Lagrange's mean value theorem for the following function. F of x equal to x square minus 3x minus 1. X belongs to closed interval minus 11 by 7 and 13 by 7. Solution. Here is f of x is polynomial. Therefore, continuous on closed interval and differential on open interval. Hence, f satisfies condition of LMVT. Then there exists c belongs to this open interval such that the formula is f dash of c equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Putting the values of b and a denoted by equation 1. Now f of x equal to x square minus 3x minus 1. Therefore, f of minus 11 by 7, that is f of a. Putting these values in this equation, minus 11 divided by 7 square minus 3 into minus 11 divided by 7 minus 1 is equal to 121 divided by 49 plus 33 divided by 7 minus 1 equal to, take 49 is LCM, then 121 plus 231 minus 49 divided by 49 is equal to 303 divided by 49. Also find f of 13 by 7. Putting these values in the equation, that is x square minus 3x minus 1 we get 13 divided by 7 square minus 3 into 13 divided by 7 minus 1. Its square is 169 divided by 49 minus 3 into 13 is 39 divided by 7 minus 1. Take 49 LCM, we get 169 minus 273 minus 49 divided by 49. Simplifying, we get minus 153 divided by 49. Find its derivative, that is f dash of x. Then d by dx of x square minus 2x minus 1. Derivative of x square is 2x. Minus 3 take outside, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 is 0. Then we get 2x minus 3. F dash of x is 2x minus 3, hence f dash of c is 2c minus 3. From equation 1, the formula is f dash of c is f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Putting these values, here is f dash of c 2c minus 3. F of b is minus 153 divided by 49 minus f of a is 303 divided by 49 divided by b minus a, that is 13 by 7. Here is minus minus plus, there is 11 divided by 7. Hence 2c minus 3 is equal to minus 456 divided by 49 into 7 divided by 24. On simplifying, we get minus 57 divided by 21. This minus 3 take on RHS, we get 2c equal to minus 57 divided by 21 plus 3. Take 21 is LCM, then we get minus 57 plus 63 divided by 21 is equal to 6 divided by 21. Simplify with 3. 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 7, 21 is 2 by 7. Therefore, c equal to 2 by 7 lies in that interval. Hence, c equal to 2 by 7 belongs to the open interval minus 11 by 7 to 13 by 7. Hence, the Lagrange's mean value theorem is verified. Example number 6. Verify Lagrange's mean value theorem for the following function. F of x equal to 2x minus x square. X belongs to the closed interval 0, 1. Solution. As f of x is a polynomial, hence it is continuous on closed interval and differential on open interval. Therefore, f satisfies the condition of Lagrange's mean value theorem. Then there exists c belongs to the open interval 0, 1 such that f dash of c equal to the formula is f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Putting the values, that is a equal to 0, b equal to 1, we get f of 1 minus f of 0 divided by 1 minus 0. F of x equal to 2x minus x square. Find f of 0. Put x equal to 0, we get 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Find f of 1. Put x equal to 1, we get 2 into 1 minus 1 square equal to 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Then find its derivative f dash of x. Then d by dx of, here is function 2x minus x square. 2 take outside, derivative of x is 1 minus derivative of x square is 2x. We get 2 minus 2x. Here is f dash of x. Then f dash of c, x replaced by c, we get 2 minus 2c. From equation 1, that is the formula f dash of c. F dash of c is 2 minus 2c equal to f of 1 minus f of 0. Putting the values 1 minus 0 divided by b minus a, that is 1 minus 0 is 1 is equal to 1. Hence, simplifying 2c equal to 1. Therefore, c equal to 1 divided by 2 is lies between 0 and 1. That is belongs to the open interval 0, 1. Hence, the Lagrange's mean value theorem is verified. Example number 7. Verify Lagrange's mean value theorem for the function f of x equal to x minus 1 divided by x minus 3 on closed interval 4, 5. Solution. The function f is rational function. Here is suppose x equal to 3, then 3 minus 3 is 0, then function does not exist. That is the function which is continuous except the point x equal to 3. But 3 does not belong to the closed interval 4, 5. Hence, it is continuous on closed interval and differential on open interval. Therefore, f satisfies Lagrange's mean value theorem. Then there exists a point c belongs to the open interval 4, 5 such that f dash of c equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a, which is the formula. Put the values of a and b. A is 4, b is 5. Then f of 5 minus f of 4 divided by 5 minus 4. as the function f of x is x minus 1 divided by x minus 3. Find the value of f of 4 and f of 5. Put x equal to 4, then 4 minus 1 divided by 4 minus 3, then 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3. Also find f of 5. Put x equal to 5, then 5 minus 1 divided by 5 minus 3 equal to 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. Also find its derivative of dash of x, that is d by dx of x minus 1 divided by x minus 3. We use the formula of u divided by v, that is v square, x minus 3 square. Here is v x minus 3 as it is, derivative of u x minus 1 minus u as it is and derivative of v. X minus 3 as it is, derivative of x is 1 minus derivative of 1 is 0 minus x minus 1 as it is, derivative of x is 1, derivative of minus 3 is 0 divided by x minus 3 square. Then here is x minus 3 minus x minus 1, but outside here is sign minus, therefore changing sign minus x plus 1 divided by x minus 3 square. X cancel, minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 divided by x minus 3 square. From f dash of x we find f dash of c, then put x equal to c, we get minus 2 divided by c minus 3 square. From equation 1, here is f dash of c, minus 2 divided by c minus 3 square equal to, that is f of b minus f of a, that is 2 minus 3 divided by b minus a, that is 5 minus 4. Simplifying we get minus 1. Hence c minus 3 square is equal to 2. Hence c minus 3 equal to plus minus root 2. Take minus 3 on RHS, we get c equal to 3 plus minus root 2. Here is 3 minus root 2 not belongs to the open interval 4 5. Therefore c not equal to 3 minus root 2. Hence c equal to 3 plus root 2 belongs to the open interval 4 5. Hence Lagrange's mean value theorem is verified. Thank you.